So here I filled up the black in both of them. And as far as watercolor goes, it can take anywhere from 3 days to a week to dry. Again, touch is king. In the summertime when I have to create watercolor in my basement, it does take a bit longer, and it is a bit more of a hands-on process getting my paint to dry, where I will pull it out of the basement when I get home from work and put it outside and allow the dry heat to really suck any moisture off that just wasn't drying in the basement because the air conditioning's on. So there's things of that to consider, but it never deters from the joy I get out of using that paint and knowing that I took the time to create that paint and that it's good quality and that it will last time, and it'll mix and play well with the other paints that I make. If I make acrylic to go on top of a watercolor base, that's totally blendable and happy, and I love that I know the colors will always work together in both mediums because they are my unique power palette.